4-4. Kick in the door, waving the 4-4. Kick in the door, waving.
Fuck! I got y'all all hyped up. I thought we was about to hunt Detroit, man. Just missed court. The judge just revoked his bond, so we gotta take him back when they're on 5 Gs. Swirl.
I'm sorry. You're looking for Joseph?
Yeah, what's your relationship to him? Frank Frazier.
Okay. And let me see here. And you're calling from what department?
You guys don't know a Caitlin?
Caitlin?
Yeah.
Yeah, Caitlin Lewis.
Yeah.
That's my my ex's daughter.
That's not vote. People don't realize how important it is to vote on that local level, man. Now, looking for Mr. Wren. Tonight is pressure.
Property. I'm not doing nothing. I'm
That's
trying
cool.
to talk to you.
You're aggressive.
Okay, I'm not aggressive.
You're super aggressive.
I'm not aggressive, bro.
Just chill. Open up, I'm gonna kick the door in. You got 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Nah, I'll come in whenever I want.
Universal is setting up shop. This is God body. Come on, this is God body. Y'all done messed up. Come on. No, Rion not.
Do what you think you're gonna do. Do what you think you're gonna do.
Bro, windows is wrong. Let's go to the back. No. So if ain't about that. You hear me? But listen, we be playing.
I'm telling you,
what's good? I want that, bro. I'm telling you, it ain't about that.
You don't want that.
I ain't tripping. What is you talking about, boy?
You don't want that, bro.
What is you talking about, boy?
You don't want that. I'm telling you, you don't want that.
Hello?
Like you
No. Hey, don't. Go. Niggas don't. You ever had to produce the paperwork for that shit?
They don't.
I'm telling you.
So your brother
Rion not registered here. No, I'm telling you. Listen. I don't care about it. I can go to court and tell. I can go to court and tell you I live in Arkansas. That don't mean you come here. Nothing legally says Rion live here. I don't care if we say that out of his mouth. It don't make you give you the right to come here. Y'all have to do your due diligence and y'all have to do your research to see that he's not registered here. He doesn't live here. He never lived here. So where the papers at? Why is my door kicked in? The papers at? Where's my door? Please. Can I get the paperwork?
Let me get some paperwork.
Where's the warrant?
Paperwork.
I'll talk about that.
Before I start arresting people for disorderly
We in our house.
You heard?
You heard.
Where's my warrant?
Telling you. Quit yelling. You're serving an
Listen. If you get, nah, he ain't locking me. I'm God body. If you police that, can I see the
We just showed y'all the paperwork.
No, I didn't see the paperwork up close. I'm out the window. I'm right here right now.
Okay, we're about to come in and search.
Okay, but can I see the paperwork,
We're
sir?
about to come in and search.
I understand that. Can I see your paperwork? You in my mother's house,
Show
bro.
me the paperwork.
Show me the paperwork, baby. I'm trying to be reasonable with you, bro. I'm trying to be reasonable with you, bro. I'm a grown ass fucking man. I ain't no fucking little kid. Yes. Bad for your house. Everything over here, bad for your house.
It's all respect.
Ref, all that. Bad for your house.
Paperwork, like that's it.
Halls Heights.
With his
That's because he
name.
owns that. He does not own
Yeah,
that.
he don't own shit.
He does not. No.
We signed.
No, that does matter.
Okay,
That
even
does
used
matter.
it-
Can I get a picture of that?
Even
Can I
used
get a
it as
picture of that, please?
business
Yeah,
address.
please.
We're gonna put him in the
Even used it as a business address.
Niggas
He ain't here.
That's fine.
Y'all can come search. Y'all can come search.
Okay, thank you.
Man, get this shit over.
We all want to go to the basement first? We all want to start?
Dick sucking for real.
We all want to start.
Let me ask you something. What would you do if somebody put you up for 15 grand?
Man, fuck your money.
I'm
We
gonna
don't
shoot
give
them in the
a fuck
fucking
about your
head,
money.
bro. Nah, chill.
Fuck my money.
You kicking down doors, bro.
It's 15
You're not about to pay for that door.
Listen.
Your
listen,
money don't got nothing to
let's
do
talk,
with me.
let's talk. Let's
Your
not
money
argue.
don't got
Let's not
nothing to
argue.
do with me.
Let's not
Your
argue.
money don't got nothing to do with me.
Hear my shit, bro. Chill.
Yeah, this
Hear
ain't
my
got nothing
shit.
to do with you.
Hear
Let me
my
have a
shit.
talk with him.
If you want to do everything, do that to him. But that's it. Don't talk to this nigga.
All right, this is your spot, right? So
It's my shit.
So let me talk to you.
It's my
Let's
shit.
have a
Yeah.
civilized conversation.
Okay, that's a civil
All right,
conversation.
now listen.
Man to man, he not here.
Okay.
Y'all can check.
All right, just relax.
But man to man, come on, y'all think you
understand.
disrespectful,
I
bro. You done
understand.
knocked on the door, we here.
I'm
You
trying
knew
to
you was
talk
gonna
to
scare
you,
my
bro.
mother, bro.
I'm trying to talk to you. Can you listen?
I'm ready to give up everything right now for her, bro.
Bro, can I talk to you?
Yeah, talk to me then, bro.
Now listen.
Come with respect, though.
I'm trying to. You not let me talk. Now listen. I came here the first time. I was super nice and respectful, right?
Yeah, but you dealt with my brother. You ain't deal with me.
Okay, can I finish talking to you?
Hello? Did you go to my sister's house?
We're not at your sister.
Okay, thank you. This is my mama's house, bro. I'm really
Why are
doing
you
effort.
mad at me when he
Because
could've
you
turned
kicked the
himself
door.
in?
I don't
Why
talk
are we
to
here?
him.
Why are we here?
I don't talk to him.
Why are
You know
we
he don't
here?
come over here.
I don't-
You know he don't come over
Why
here.
are we
You know
here?
that.
Why are we here?
Because you looking for him.
Why are we here?
Because you looking for him.
Okay, so why didn't he turn himself in if he knew this was gonna happen? You should be one to buck him up, not us. We here because it's 15 grand.
When I
don't
see him,
wanna
I'll
come
do
here.
that. When
That's
I see
fine.
him, I'll do that.
Okay, that's good then. Okay, as long as you take that anger out towards him, because we only here
Okay, but no, you
because
kicked
of
my
him.
mother's door and
That's
you
right.
knew that was gonna startle her, bruh.
Bro.
Know what I'm saying? It's man to man, bruh.
You
How
just
y'all
said,
feel about
you
that?
just said
What
you
you think I'm supposed to do?
You just said you would
What
kill
you
a
think I'm supposed
nigga.
to do?
You just said you would kill somebody over 15,000.
Yeah,
And you
but
mad because I
Rion
kicked the
doesn't
door?
live here.
Okay, so can y'all hit up Rion?
Okay, but you
Can
stressing
y'all
my
talk
mother
to
out
him?
now.
I don't wanna
You stressing
stress
my
your
mother
mom
out now. That shit can
I
get
don't
real
wanna
fucking
stress
dangerous,
your
bro.
mom out.
You don't know.
But you're
bro.
doing
But
it.
you are, bro.
No, he's
but you,
doing it.
No, you. I'm right here, right now, bro.
He's doing
Please,
it.
bro.
He's
Listen to
doing
me
it.
as a man, bro.
Okay, you ain't gonna talk to the cops like that. So
Bro,
I ain't listening.
oh, what you mean I ain't talk to them like that?
Let's search
Ask
him.
them. Ask them. I do the same shit.
ain't trying to
Wherever
listen.
y'all want to go, y'all can go. I don't care.
You're mad at the
But y'all
wrong
wasting y'all
person.
time.
You mad at the wrong person.
Y'all wasting y'all time. Y'all start in the basement? Where you want to start?
Check down there. I can't.
All right, you got to move slow. Cause my mother right here.
That's fine, man. Nobody try to disrespect your mom. Nobody. I came in the first time and I said.
Okay, but he ain't here. Why you ain't taking my word on it?
Have y'all hit him up?
No, bro. I'm telling you, bro.
Okay. So let me ask you this: what are you gonna do when the next set of bounty hunters come?
Huh?
What y'all gonna do? Because there's other people looking for him.
Hey, yo, if that's the next thing you come out
Hey,
for.
don't put, bro.
Now, let's do that search. Search the room properly. Can someone come search the room properly? Because he could be in the closet. You ain't even
What's up, No. Yeah. Oh, was we there? We went there. Oh, okay. I thought you meant we was there right now. Gotcha.
And I hope you have a safe trip.
We'll be back. We'll be back.
Hey,
We'll be back.
God bless him. God bless him.
One's 23 too, so they got to let us in there too.
I think it's all just. I think it's just different.
Which one? This back house?
That's what you're saying. It's all one apart.
Gotcha.
That's 23A.
Shit, that should look crazy over there. This all connected or is it different?
I don't know.
Hey, can y'all come unlock these back? You go on the same road? Alright, this one, what about this one?
That's 21 Halls Heights, and when you have a warrant for that one, come back. That's 21 Halls Heights. Look at the address.
There ain't no address on it.
It's 21 Halls Heights. Look it up on your database.
On my
Not Google.
database.
That's 21. It's
Do
20.
I look like Batman?
I don't care what you look like. You touch that door, you will be sued. I'll put that on everything. That's 21 Holes Heights. I'm repeating it. That's 21 Holes Heights.
That's a different house.
Oh, now don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
asking
Camera.
a question.
No, it's 20. Don't answer no questions.
Yes, sir.
It's 21 Holes Heights. That's it. That's all y'all need to know. Cause y'all been dickheads. I'm being dickheads now. No.
We wouldn't be a
I told y'all
dickhead. We
niggas I
came here
give y'all a call
nicely
if I
3
see a nigga.
times.
No.
Let's we'll be back.
21.
Unfortunately, we're gonna come back.
Yeah, you come back all you want. I don't care about none of that.
That back house gonna be fully jumping. Hey, y'all come back here.
We'll be back.
I'll be ready.
We'll be back.
Be ready.
That's cool.
Your sister co-signed on the bottom. I'm just gonna guard her for
All right, y'all see what happened? No one wants to take accountability for why we are there. We are there because of him. Take that aggression and put it towards him, not us. But it is what it is. People, man, let me tell y'all this. I've been doing this for a very long time. I've been we put our life at risk every fucking night. So it is a waste of time threatening us, man. That shit don't scare nobody, man. Like, it just doesn't. I don't fucking scare. You know what I mean? Like, dude, people threatening your lives and shit, man. It's just like, come on, man. Y'all mad at the wrong person. But it is what it is. And unfortunately, Rian was talking shit about the whole situation. He don't really care. So hopefully they get in contact with him and get on his ass, and rightfully so, whoop his ass. You know what I mean? But we gonna come back, regardless of what the fuck they talking about. We don't. I mean, it is what it is. We coming back until we find them, man. So. Oh man, y'all see, I be calm, man. Man, that's what we do, baby. Fucking with the church's money. It is what it is. Buddy want to go back through them hands. Oh man, he don't know, man. I trained for this. Turn yourself in, Rian. You are causing all this bullshit because you won't turn yourself in, man. This is your fault. You caused this. Oh, this is about $15,000. It's about $15,000. Are you coming to? Are you calling me to argue? Because we wasn't coming to your house.
No. I just want to know. I'm not arguing at all.
Well, I'm explaining it to you, and you're telling me what I'm doing. So I mean,
I know, but okay. It's like I'm not saying he doesn't live at my house. So it's like I know I'm on it, but
hey, who is this? I don't even know who this is. If you got somewhere in Youngstown, we can meet. That's kind of a little closer. Warren, like 15 more minutes out the way.
Yeah, we can meet over at meet at the jail.
All right, text me that address. We just left the office, so probably like 35, 40 minutes.
All right, cool.
Okay, all right. All right, guys, we're back in Youngstown. Just keep in mind, so you guys know, tonight is another night of pressure. There is a ton of information about this case that you guys don't know, and you might not understand. We're not just over here fucking with them for no reason. There is a underlining reason that I can't discuss. I can't put certain information out there because they are watching this. Trust and believe. So we're going back over here, man. Y'all know how it is. It's pressure. They're either going to give him up or make him turn himself in, one of them. They take it as a joke, as a game. Like I said, there's information that I know that I can't tell you guys because I don't want them to know that I know. So, yeah, we headed back over there. Pressure. talking shit is out the window, man. We don't scare easily. You can't keep fucking with the church's money.
They see us.
They already see us.
We see us, bro.
We made it.
He already saw us. He saw us. He saw us. He saw niggas when he came out as soon as y'all turned around. He saw us. They standing there
I told you I announced myself with my nephew here. So this is another lawsuit, so I already got that attorney. Can we help you? He's not here, come do your search again. He's not here, come on.
We're gonna keep coming back.
Well, I don't care if you come back.
All right.
Don't get lost on what we got done.
You can't sue us. But we still here.
Y'all done. Y'all done. Do y'all search? Do you search? Y'all done. Y'all already done. Do you search?
You search.
Y'all done.
Don't listen to her because you don't know what you're talking about.
I'm telling you.
What's up? Who are you? Come on out here. Why you hiding up here? You got
I'm
warrants?
on the phone. Nah, I was on the phone talking. What's up?
Who's in there?
Gotta respect.
You
I
trying
got
to
kids
talk
here.
now? That's cool. We
Yeah, come on,
trying to
let's go talk. And we can have a real dead ass conversation.
Okay.
We can have a real conversation.
And just be real. All the yelling came from your brother. All right.
Me, honestly, man to man, I'd rather pay y'all the fucking cash.
You got the cash? You got the 15,000.
We can work something out. We can definitely work something out.
We'll fucking leave him alone.
I ain't got 15,000, but we can definitely work something out.
But it's 15 because I'm gonna be for real. Like we know shit that we don't know we know. So this is why we keep coming back, bro. And until I get as your brother, I get the loyalty. But you gotta talk to him like people keep coming back here talking with us.
Shit,
Handle
to
it.
be honest with you, I don't want no heat on me. So
know
I
you got
ain't got
to.
the cleanest past.
So what you gonna do?
We ain't from
Yeah,
here, nigga. I'm from
yeah.
Brooklyn, New York. I'm not from here. I don't I don't play no games with niggas.
Dave, give him a call.
Honestly, I'm gonna go to the DA. If the DA go work something out, then he turn him over and see what they gonna work out before he go in. You know what I'm saying? Go talk to his lawyer or something. Then if y'all wanna do a pickup, y'all can do that.
They ain't gonna work nothing out. He's got a warrant out of Trumbull too.
I don't know.
These are pretty much the options. You turn himself in, or you keep hunting him and you get caught in crossfire. I mean, that's just where we at.
Hey, I keep out here explaining.
I ain't saying. I'm just telling you. We know a lot. Okay, so I'm just telling you that, bro. Either he turned himself in, he called us, turned himself in. This should be over. We got to drag nobody through no shit, no bullshit. Or we gonna keep coming back and you're gonna get fucking dragged into the shit because we not losing $15,000. Period. That ain't happening. We out. We heading over right now to the one of his child's mother's house, the BM. So we're gonna see what she got to say. I mean, honestly, man, we're gonna start knocking in everybody's door, man. The doors we're able to legally do. So let's get the pressure going, man. Brother know where he at. He was over there when we came over there. You know what I mean? Just, you know, they hiding him. You know what I mean? So we're gonna keep applying pressure. We're gonna still keep doing our investigative piece of it, but you know, we're gonna keep applying pressure too while we're doing it. You know, when this case is over, I'll let you guys know all the little small details that I'm not telling you guys just because I said they're watching.
Out, you use this address and you use your other house's address.
Oh, he don't live there. And I don't know how the hell he used my address when he was never living here.
You use it on a bond application.
Did I sign the bond?
It don't matter. He used your address on the application.
Oh, well, he's not here. I don't talk to him. I told one of y'all just on the phone when I talked to y'all on the phone.
And you told me you were going to find where he's at, and then you never called him back.
No, I did not. I said I don't have no contact with him. I haven't talked to him because I have a new boyfriend. I haven't contacted Rihanna, and Rihanna haven't contacted me. That's what I told you on the phone.
You know where we can find him at?
I don't.
Okay.
But you can come in if you want to.
So, no, I believe he's not here. So, basically, he is putting everybody in this that don't need to be in this. So.
I know his sister been contacting me, telling me what's going on.
So if there's anything, so if you know anything, just please call.
But I don't have no contact with him.
Okay. Well, if you
at all, like
once
I then broke up with him and came down with another boyfriend,
you do realize
don't even take care of my kids or anything.
The address where you're renting to them people at, he used that with the court, and the U.S. Marshals are looking for him too. That door's gonna get smashed in.
Well, they gonna have to.
I ain't gonna have to nothing. That's on him. He's the one who used the address.
Yeah.
I mean, that's fucked up. But
it is.
I mean,
it is fucked up. But
did y'all go to his mother's house?
We were just there.
Yeah.
And
sickly,
their door was treated
well,
nice. Their door wasn't treated as nice as yours.
The mother not there?
I guess she's in the hospital right now.
That's sad.
$15,000.
Well, his mom being in the hospital had nothing to do with us kicking in the door. But
I don't know.
Unfortunately.
Who's living in that trailer that was in the driveway? Where'd it go?
Who's trailer?
The trailer that was at your rental property.
I don't know nothing about no trailer. What rental property are you talking about?
The only one that you have.
Do we?
Yeah.
When was it a rental trailer over there?
About a month ago.
I don't know. I could call them and see. I don't know. But they don't know Rihanna, so.
Well, they're kind of put in the middle of a situation. You're gonna have to explain to them.
I'll contact them tomorrow.
All right. Well, if you think of something, please call, because now he got everybody, and it ain't nothing personal. We gonna.
No, I mean I understand, but
shit, so I mean you got tenants. I get you got tenants and shit. It's just not to say you're lying, but we just don't know.
Right,
you know what I'm saying?
right.
So.
I mean, y'all can go over there. I mean, they don't.
I don't even want to do all that.
Gotcha.
Okay.
I don't know. Y'all gonna have to keep going to Nikki or Rihanna or whoever else, his brothers and sisters.
Okay.
Where's Rihanna live?
I don't know. Last time I know she was living in Warren. I don't associate with them at all. So.
You close with her?
Only one that I talk to here and there is Nikki.
Okay.
And I'm not really close to her, so.
She would lie for him, right?
I mean, they brother and sister. Like, come on now.
Yeah, family. Yeah.
I don't fucking know.
But
I mean,
we're not gonna.
That's not my business. But
I got you. We're not gonna bother. I said just if you think of something or whatever information, then call Dave.
Okay.
All right, because You already know, ain't nothing personal, but
I mean, yeah, I understand. I mean, that's our job, so.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
All right, so I don't get the feeling that she's lying. She got a new boyfriend, so I mean, typically people get new, you know, girlfriend, boyfriends, you know. I mean, some people be on some fuck shit, but you know, I don't get that feeling from her, so we're not gonna press it here. We're gonna head over to his ex-wife's house, who knows information. She's kind of ducking, so hopefully we catch her here and find out some information. But the hunt continues, man. We'll find him. Y'all know how it is. Sometimes it's a little process, but we'll find his ass. Who we looking for?
He went inside. Come to the door. Come to the door. Come to the door. Come to the door.
What?
Come to the door.
Well, I'm at the door. What's going on?
Where's Miss Easterling at?
Hold on. Let me turn the TV down.
It's a good idea.
What happened?
Where's Miss Easterling at?
What I do?
Where's Miss Easterling at?
Huh?
Where is Miss Easterling at? Where's Terry Ann?
Oh, she went to the store.
Okay. You know what time she gonna be back?
Nah.
How come she conveniently goes to the store every time I'm here?
Tell her to come downstairs. We need to talk. Look.
Now she not in here.
So listen, we can come in here legally. So right now I'm asking that you tell her to come here to talk.
Let me call her.
You need to call her right now and tell her to get here before we gotta take it to the next level.
Oh, damn. Let me get my phone. Don't come in it. Don't. I got.
I'm chilling, man. Just call her so we ain't gotta do that.
Hey, watch the back door.
Look, my phone right here.
Okay.
Look, phone right here.
I got you.
Just drinking me a little beer.
I mean, I just want you to call her so we can talk to her.
All right. She on the phone right now.
Hello? We can put this on speaker, man.
All right, hold on.
Hello?
Yes.
Hey, how you doing? Are you able to come back to the house so we can talk with you?
Yes, what is this about?
It's about Rian.
Rian?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be there in about 7 minutes. I'll be there.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
I'm the other child's father. I don't know. We don't.
I
even
talked
know
to your
yet.
kid the last time I was here. She was scared half to death.
I got a 3-year-old with her.
Oh no, whoever the oldest kid is that was here.
She
was
that's
here by herself.
them my stepkids.
That's Rian's kids, right?
And he got custody. He gave up his rights for custody. So
gotcha.
Nobody in touch. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I got a 3-year-old with her.
Well, he used this
Y'all had me scared. I'm like, damn. Got me run.
I'm like, he used this.
I didn't know if y'all was acting like y'all. I thought y'all. I didn't know if y'all was acting like that. Y'all didn't know what y'all was doing. You know what I
I
mean?
got you. Yeah.
Yeah, that made me nervous. What y'all just.
How long y'all been together?
4 years.
About 4 years.
Yeah.
When's the last time you seen him?
I don't see him.
Yeah, like I said, he gave up his right.
When did he do that?
I don't even remember. I don't remember, but I think he gave up his. So they not on good terms, nor is they in touch.
Gotcha. Okay.
Y'all had me, man. Y'all made me I need to drink more of my motherfucking liquor. Y'all made me nervous as hell. I ain't got my gun on me. Y'all could have been acting like y'all was. Y'all could have acted like y'all was.
Not with a camera shining.
Man, people can get anything.
I ain't never seen nobody walk up.
It's and all type of shit. People can get anything.
Oh, Rian's from New York.
They from out of town, I think.
Baby's mother will know.
Yeah, she from out of town. Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. They from out of town and shit. Y'all had me nervous as hell. I'm sitting here like, oh my god. That shit broke. I was the boys too. I'm like, y'all the boys, what y'all doing? I'm like, whoa. Y'all, man, that shit had me, got my nerves bad, man.
Are you good? Unless you living a life of crime.
I ain't. I'm just saying, like, shit. But that wouldn't. Then people walking up like that and coming up that wouldn't make you. Man, y'all on that line of work, right?
Look, if somebody robbing you, they ain't gonna take the whole sidewalk and come in the driveway.
Yeah, but we ain't gonna walk all the way around. We just stuck.
Just cut through the grass.
Yeah, man. But now, I'm like, what's going on?
Most professional robbers ever. They walk on the sidewalk in the driveway.
Yeah, we would be the brokest
robbers. We would never be able to rob nobody.
Nah.
Hello. Nice to meet you. Not under these circumstances, but so we're here for Rian. We don't want to bother you. What do you know, or what can you tell us?